Hi, my name is Jana Day, and welcome to our first monthly Spotlight series. Today we're diving into a topic that impacts every single school district: airborne virus spread and indoor air quality. At StarkTech Day Automation, we're on a mission to create safe, healthy, and energy-efficient learning environments for students and staff. We believe that safety and wellness is at the foundation of every single effective learning environment. When students and staff feel truly safe and healthy, school becomes an environment where students can flourish. When air quality suffers, so does productivity. It's linked to higher absenteeism, respiratory issues, allergies, and poor cognitive performance. That's why we've engineered solutions that were designed to be high quality and deliver long-term value to your district. Let's talk about how viruses spread indoors. Did you know that people spend roughly 87% of their time indoors? For students and staff, that means that most of their day is spent in the classroom, putting them at higher risk for airborne illness exposure. Flu germs are very small. They're not visible to the naked eye. So even when a surface looks clean, particles can still be lingering in the air for hours. Think about a classroom during flu season. If you have a very small space, lots of students, and poor airflow, you now have just created a hotspot for airborne viruses. Let's take a look at a case study we did in collaboration with Fairport Central School District.
My name is Aaron Smith. I'm the Director of Facilities for Fairport Central School District. I've been with that district since 2020, so about 5 years. Airborne viruses and seasonal allergies ebbs and flows with the seasons. There's always chatter about indoor air quality and air filtration. Those of us that have been in the industry a while know that the next logical step is going to be air filtration. We're anticipating that that will be the next mandate. Early on when I started with Fairport Schools, I had one of my vendors say, hey, we have an air filtration solution that we think you would be interested in. They kind of talked me through the logic behind it, the power consumption, and how it's not part of your existing air handling and filtration system. It's a parallel system. The videos are real if you've seen them. To fill a room full of smoke takes 2 to 3 hours in a traditional air handling or unit ventilator type system to dissipate. The beta test that we did cleared that room in about 30 minutes. Seeing it is believing it. I don't think anybody does it better. I don't call Day Automation a vendor. They are a strategic partner. It takes a lot to manage any school district, let alone one the size of Fairport. We have 1.23 million square feet of buildings, and Day Automation helps me everywhere that they can.
Here's our holistic approach to achieving cleaner air. We have a multi-pronged approach that improves ventilation, enhances filtration, and has smart monitoring systems. We can engineer HVAC system designs that bring in more outside air to increase the number of air changes per hour. We can switch out the HVAC filters in the rooftop air handling units and the classroom unit ventilators to MERV 13, MERV 14. We can add intake filters to the outdoor air louvers to reduce pollen and debris load. And finally, we have sensors to monitor your indoor air quality so that you always know your IAQ status. So what this solution has created here is ultra clean air in high volume spaces like a classroom. Cleaner air means fewer germs, which then stops the spread of airborne viruses. Let's recap. Airborne viruses spread very easily indoors. The nature of K-12 schools makes them a high-risk environment. Poor airflow and inadequate filtration allows germs to linger in the air. By filtering and exchanging air, we can slow the spread of viruses. Investing in airflow is investing in your students. If you're ready to make your school safer, healthier, and more energy efficient, let's talk.